How to create a quick list on Microsoft Excel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create quick list on Microsoft Excel easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Excel. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on this little option, and here you will find many options, and here is the quick list option. Click on it like this, and now right here you will be able to edit anything right here on this list. And of course, after you finish, click here and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.